This is Steve with Let's Fix It Up. I hope that you had a chance to watch my how to jump a car with jumper cables tutorial on YouTube. This time I'd like to demonstrate how easy it is if you have one of these babies. And you can read on our website, Let's Fix It Up, some reviews that we've done on this unit, as well as some other units. I purchased this well over a year ago. I've only charged it one time, and I've used it to jump several cars without recharging it. It's just an invaluable piece of equipment to carry around. That way you can jump start yourself. You don't need to rely on another car. You don't need to have jumper cables because it comes equipped with its own, connected right to the unit itself. So let's demonstrate how this thing works. Obviously we want to identify our battery, which is, I don't know if you can see it, right here. And we've got our pause. So I want to be very specific about what we're going to do. We want to make sure, again, that these cables are not touching one another once we've hooked it to the other car. We don't want to have a shock. We don't want to do any electrical damage to the other car. The first thing we want to do is we want to identify the red or positive node or cable that goes to your car and hooks to the positive terminal of the battery. It's indicated by the red cable, and sometimes there's a plus sign on the terminal itself, which is right here, very hard to see, but a plus sign. We want to make sure that the cable itself is secure and not loose. As you can see, there's no corrosion or white powdery greenish buildup around the terminal. And then we want to take our red end of our cable or positive and get a really good snug connection where the metal's on the metal, very good, so it can get a good charge. And now identifying the black negative or ground cable. This one again does not have red on it, it's all black, as you can see. And on the clamp itself, it has a minus sign. It also is very snug and tight. It's not loose, so we know it's getting a good connection. And there's no corrosive buildup around it at all. So we're going to take our black negative cable and we're going to hook it securely. Make sure there's a good grip on it, and there's a couple different ways and a couple of different teeth that you can actually hook to this and get a really good secure connection. The terminals are tight, and so we've hooked up our battery to it, and now we need to turn this battery pack on. Right here you'll see the on-off button, which I'll turn on, and it has a gauge on the machine itself that's showing that it's between 75 and 100% charge, which is amazing because it's held that charge for almost a year now without, through winter, through using it several times. It's as simple as this. We hook it up. We see that it's green. We see that the energy is going from the pack into the battery itself. Okay, now that we've let the battery charge for a couple of minutes, we're going to give it a shot and see if we can start this baby up. There we go.